Train what really matters. Employees often complete learning programs successfully, but how can you be sure they can effectively apply these skills on the job? Can your sales rep confidently apply your playbook with real customers? What if you could see and measure how employees apply what they've learned in real work scenarios? That's exactly what LessonLab enables. Here's how it works in practice. The employee first studies the relevant material, for example, your sales framework, through videos. Then, they step into a realistic work scenario, a simulated customer meeting, to apply what they've learned, either via text-based interaction or real-time voice. After the simulation, they receive personalized feedback, highlighting strengths and areas for improvement. This way, employees move from theory to real-world skills and know exactly how to improve. Now, let's see what the trainer gets from this. Once the simulation is complete, trainers can access a full analysis of each employee's performance. You can see their strengths, areas for improvement, and a detailed competence profile. Clear visual reports make it easy to assess employees at a glance. And if needed, you can dive deeper into the raw data to guide further development and coaching. Now let's look at how this enhances your learning programs. LessonLab helps employees turn knowledge into real-world skills, seeing impact where it matters most. Learning becomes interactive, relevant, and enjoyable, keeping learners engaged. It's efficient and scalable, so you can develop skills across teams without overloading resources. And backed by research, LessonLab provides scientifically proven insights to help employees develop real-world competence faster and more reliably. Measure real competence in practice. Get in touch today and discover how LessonLab can help you turn learning into lasting performance.